What's up guys, how you doing? It's Kofi here. Welcome to another educative Forex video. So today I'm going to teach you guys a strategy I call using one time frame and using one pair. I've realized most of you are just confused. You don't know the time frames. Every strategy, every analysis, you use different type of time frames, and most of you are trading so many pairs that it gets you confused. Sometimes you even miss most of your trades. So using the one time frame and using one pair is going to help you or those who are actually confused, you understand? So before we get into today's video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to also turn on your post notifications so when I drop a video you are the first person to see that video. So let's get straight to this video. This video is very good. It's going to be very short, guys. It's going to be very short, so let's get straight into this video, guys. Alright guys, so welcome to the chat. So in all this we are going to see, but first, the first thing we are going to do with this strategy is find or know the trend of the market. And when we look at the trend of the market, what is the trend of the market giving us? Hold on guys. Bearish. It means the market is bearish. So if the market is bearish, what are we going to do? It means we are going to be finding more of sells. You understand? If the market is bearish, doesn't mean you can't find buys. You can find buys, but finding sells is going to be more easier and going to give you more confluence. You understand? You're going to hit TP very fast. You understand? So following the trend is also a very nice thing you can do. So first thing, what we're going to take our horizontal line and we're going to mark out our recent high. So this is our recent high. We're going to mark out the recent high. And we're going to mark out our recent low, guys. This is our recent low. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be using the 1 hour time frame, you understand? So using one chart and one time frame. So we're going to be using the 1 hour time frame. So I think it's going to be very good. It's going to help you guys when you use the time frame you enter your market in. So if you use the 15-minute time frame to execute your trades, you can use the 15 minutes, you understand? So I'm using the 1 hour. So you first find your recent high and your recent low, you understand? So now, after finding your recent low, you understand that we always want to know what current price wants to do. You understand? Always want to know what current price wants to do. So we are just going to wait for price to get into we are going to wait for price to get back into this level or this level. You understand? And see what it's going to do. If it's not going to break and retest and go to the upside, or it's going to break here, retest and go to the downside. You understand? So we are not going to enter any trade. We are going to wait for price to get to these levels we drew. You understand? So let me play price, guys. Let me play price. So we are still waiting for price to do its thing. Good. Now what can you see here? We can see price has tapped into this level. Do you get it? And what did I tell you? I told you the price is right now, price is very bearish. So finding sells is going to be very good. Finding sells is going to be very good. But we are not going to enter the sells now. This is what we are going to do. Let me zoom in for you guys. So after price hits this level, this was the candlestick we got, this bearish candlestick. So before I enter the market, I'm going to take this to the horizontal ray and I'm going to mark out the end of this candlestick. So the end of this particular candlestick, the first bearish candlestick that appeared when price touched the level. And we are also going to mark out the starting point, but we will just use this line as a starting point, you understand? So we are only going to take sells when the candlestick is fully when the candlestick breaks here fully, you understand? Yeah, that's the only time I'm going to take sells. So let's play price. Okay, now you can see here. Hold on. Let me delete this one. So now we've got this bearish candlestick breaking below this level. You understand? So we are going to take our sells here. It's just as easy as that. Very easy, guys. Very easy. We'll put our TP on the next level and SL above. So in this trade, you have what? A 1:4 risk to reward. And anytime I drop a trade, I also put my TP1. And my TP1 is always on the level I think if price gets, price could reverse. Looking at this level, you can see how price was finding it very difficult to break this level. So the probability of price getting to this level and reversing is going to be high. But I still want to make money. You understand? So I'll put my TP1 here. Mostly I risk more on my TP1 because for my TP1 to hit is more probable. You understand? So I place my TP1 here, and the full TP is going to be on this next level. Why this next level? The probability of price reversing on this level too is high. So mostly TP1 and TP2 are mostly on the levels I think if price gets, price could reverse. You understand? So that's why I use TP1 and TP2. So you don't just put your TPs just anywhere. You put them out where you think if price gets, price could reverse. So maybe when you hit your TP, immediately price hit your TP, start reversing, you have no problem with the market, guys. So let me play price. So hold on. Why did we take this trade? Why did we take this trade? We took this trade because market is bearish and this was our recent high and price came to tap in our recent high level. You get it? And another reason we took this trade is when we got our first bearish candle, we marked out the ending of that candle and price and the candlestick broke below the ending of the candle. You understand? So now that's a solid confluence to take a sell on this market. What are you using? I'm using the 1 hour time frame, one market, one pair, one time frame, guys. So let me just play this price and see what's gonna do. Oh, that's a hard move. Solid. So now we hit our TP1 and price are still broken below the TP1. So we are going to hit full profit. Maybe let's see how price goes. Take profit smash, guys. Take profit smash. You can see this is a very simple trade. I think a very simple analysis. I think everybody can actually use this just using one time frame and one pair. You understand? So those of you who are finding it very difficult, who are just being everywhere, don't know the time frames to use, you can just take one time frame. You understand? And mostly I advise you to take the time frame you feel comfortable in entering the market in. So you just take that time frame, find your recent low, find your recent high, just mark them out. You understand? Look for the trade. Just use the entry model I showed you, finding the you just mark out the ending of that particular candlestick when price breaks below or above. You know how you're going to do it, and you mark out your TP1. Always put your take profit where you think price, if price gets, price is going to reverse. You understand? And that levels are mostly levels where price reacted the most. You get it? So this is a very simple trade and a simple analysis. I think it will help you guys, you know, get more wins in the market. So let's just play price and see whether we could get another entry. Okay, it's trying to break below that level. Okay, you can see what price did when it got to the TP1 again. It got to this level. You understand? When price got to this level, we could have gotten another entry here and sell price. Do you understand? So this is a very simple strategy. And another thing I told you guys is because price is bearish, you can see anytime we get a buy, the buys are shorts. Let me show you something. Anytime we get a buy, the buys are shorts. You get it? Anytime we get the buys, anytime we get a buy, the buys are shorts. But when we get a sell, you can see how long we are going. When we get a sell, you can see how long the sell goes. Why? Because it's a bearish trend. You see, price is in a bearish trend. So following the trend is actually a very good advice using this strategy. So I hope this strategy helped you guys and I hope it was very understandable. Don't forget to, like, share, turn on your post notification for anything. See you guys in my next video.